Hey Lauren, we've been out here a little while. We've been live out here all day. In fact, our crew's out here. You know, right now it feels pretty good. The shade is out and about. A little bit earlier, that was not the story. It was sunny, it was hot, and honestly, a little bit sweaty. But that's not the case right now, and we're not going to complain about it. I want to give you a live look at what we're seeing out here at Vulcan Park. This year, we're told Thunder on the Mountain will have more than 2,500 fireworks launched by Pyro Shows of Alabama. The lead technician behind it all says they started setting up the explosives on Monday in preparation for this massive event. It's a high-tech operation out here, let me tell you. All these fireworks are actually controlled by computers. This 20-minute show will be synced with patriotic music that you can hear over iHeartMedia Birmingham radio stations. Leaders with Vulcan Park are thrilled. All eyes will be on the skies and, of course, Vulcan himself tonight. Yeah, and some of the experts out here actually say you can see this show from just about anywhere you are in the Magic City, give or take, but you should be able to see it no matter where you're at, depending on vantage points. But hey, if you are going to miss the show, you can't come downtown tonight, whatever reason you have, you can still watch it right here on WBRC. We're going to be broadcasting the full fireworks show coming up tonight at 9 o'clock. Your reporter in Birmingham, I'm Brady Talbert, WBRC 6 News, on your side.